Did you know a dirty air fryer can ruin your food's taste and even shorten its life? Today, I'll reveal the top 4 best ways to clean your air fryer easily and safely. Welcome to my channel, friends. Don't forget, check the links in the description to grab your cleaning must-haves. At number 4 is WAVELU Silicone Pot Liner. Ever wonder why your air fryer never feels truly clean, no matter how much you scrub? That's where the WAVELU Silicone Pot Liner steps in to save your sanity. Priced at $19.99, this premium food-grade, BPA-free liner is 3 times thicker than ordinary ones, giving it unbeatable stability and durability. It fits both round and square air fryers perfectly, ensuring even air circulation for crispier, tastier food. No more grease buildup or burnt residue, just pop it in the dishwasher and you're done. Compared to flimsy liners that warp or tear, this one feels sturdy and long-lasting. It genuinely transforms your cleaning routine, bringing that satisfying sense of relief every home cook craves. We tested it for real-world convenience, and yes, it's absolutely worth it. If you love your air fryer but hate the cleanup, this liner is your new best friend. On number 3 is MMH Silicone Liner. Here is a product every air fryer lover needs, but probably does not realize yet. The MMH Silicone Liner, priced at $9.99, is a small investment that solves one of the biggest kitchen headaches, cleaning your air fryer. Designed to fit perfectly in the Ninja Crispy models, it shields your fryer from burnt residue, grease stains, and constant scrubbing battles. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it can handle heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without losing shape or safety. Those heat-proof handles and grooved air channels are genius. They circulate heat evenly while letting excess oil drain away, giving you crispier, healthier meals. Compared to pricier liners, MMH offers similar durability at a budget-friendly cost. The flexible silicone flips inside out for easy washing. Just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. If you crave a cleaner fryer and effortless cleanup, this liner truly delivers peace of mind. At number 2 is Gropecan Disposable Liner. Here is something no air fryer owner should overlook. Gropecan Disposable Liners, priced around $9.99, are the simplest way to keep your fryer spotless without scrubbing. Ever spent more time cleaning than cooking? These parchment liners end that frustration instantly. Made from food-grade, non-stick, waterproof paper, they withstand heat up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting your fryer from grease and burnt crumbs while keeping food crisp and flavorful. Their bowl-shaped design with raised 4.35 cm edges keeps oil and residue contained, no tearing, folding, or mess. Compared to silicone options, Gropecan offers unbeatable convenience. Just cook, toss, and relax. With 34 size options, they fit almost any fryer, oven, or microwave. They are ideal for busy people who crave quick, easy cleaning and fresh-tasting meals. If you value convenience, hygiene, and peace of mind, this liner is absolutely worth it. Smart, simple, and satisfying. Now moving to the last one is INFRAOVENS Parchment Sheet. Did you know that tiny bits of grease left behind in your air fryer can actually affect flavor over time? That is exactly why the INFRAOVENS Parchment Sheets, priced at $6.99, have become one of my favorite cleanup hacks from the top 4 best ways to clean your air fryer. Designed with precisely placed perforations, these sheets let hot air flow perfectly, keeping your fries crispy and chicken juicy, without anything sticking to the basket. Compatible with almost every major air fryer brand, they save you from endless scrubbing sessions. Plus, the included reusable fiberglass mat gives you an eco-friendly backup that wipes clean in seconds. Compared to disposable liners, these offer more control and longevity. If you crave convenience, flavor, and mess-free cooking, these parchment sheets deliver pure peace of mind every single time. And the winner is the WAVELU Silicone Pot Liner. Here is why you should buy it. It combines premium durability, perfect fit, and effortless cleaning, all in one smart design. Its 3 times thicker build ensures stability, while the food-grade silicone keeps your air fryer spotless and your meals perfectly cooked. Unlike disposable liners, it's reusable, dishwasher safe, and built to last for years. If you want long-term value, zero mess, and pure cooking convenience, WAVELU is the ultimate choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 4 best way to clean air fryer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.